How Power BI helps professionals.
Will show you a simple project with few sample data, right? So okay, directly you can retrieve all the data into the Power BI connections, right? You just say you have a Microsoft SQL server, MySQL database, Mongo database, or any other database like Oracle database or any other databases, right? So any databases it support to retrieve data, right? It has a connectivity plugins and all. Then you can connect with the any kind of databases. Then directly you can retrieve those data from the server. So this is the kind of area. So then so if you want to get some analysis, then you can click on the particular bar. Then all the dashboard will be changed based on the dynamic situations, right? So then from this has some 10 to 8 years data. So then let's say 2009, then you can see. So then you can see then they have a nice growth here, and this is half of the data in 2013 in the sample data sets. So then this is the kind of growth rate, right? So some designs for the data visualizations. So then so this is actually an example of the kind of private hospital analysis databases. So then I saw what was the objective of this project. So then mainly we need to analyze the income consultation income, statement and operational income, and conduct overall income analysis. From this analysis, we should be able to access some customer trends and project future income growth. So this is the part we are very new here. So then here you can see a few segments are there, few dashboards we have made. Then first one is what customer analysis one. So here then you can see the private hospital. Then they have plenty of consultations they have handled. Then here you can see then the total number of consultation appointment and cancel appointment, then active appointments and paid appointments and pending appointments, and the success rate of the appointments. Then what is the total income they have earned. Then likewise you can get the analysis and get the some sort of summary of the database and visualize the database. So here you can see if you want to think about the 2022, then you can click on the dashboard element. Then entire dashboard will be changed based on the selected component, right? So then all the things will be changed based on the selected component. Likewise, you can create some dynamic dashboard, right? So here then this is the some treatment appointments. So then here you can see then let's say then kind of data, some kind of segment. Then based on these you can see. So then here you can see some based on sample data sets. Then some income statement, income analysis. Then from this year, so then total customers and new customers and valid customers and income per customer kind of average. Then average customer visits. So one customer, how many times you have visited? Average 4. Then then here you can see customer wise how many times they have supported for our income and forecasting about the income. And then here you can see some forecasting based on the existing data, and you can forecast about future income as well, how our organization is going to grow. So this is the very simple experience, simple dashboard. If you have some good data, then you can come to the analysis and some kind of analytics you can present here. Because of the Power BI, you can create some forecasting as well. Then simple analytical knowledge you can generate with the Power BI as well. So then this is the simple experience. So then now I will show you how we are teaching. Actually, so in the database context, so most of the time, most of the organizations have their own virtual servers on the cloud. So we are giving same experience here to you, right? So we are giving some same experience to you. Then you easily you can come to the all knowledge segment. So we are giving some our learning purpose. We have arranged our cloud servers as well. So we have make all the background, and we are giving individual database connections to our students, right? So then they can retrieve data from the cloud. So why we want to see and we want to implement some practical knowledge to you, right? So therefore, I know that most of the professionals are working in the industry. Then their own computers does not have any servers, does not have any SQL databases, right? Always those databases are available in the cloud server. So same experience we are arranging here. So we are giving individual access to our cloud servers, and we are teaching here to you how to log into the cloud server and how to install your databases into the cloud and configurations also. But if you want to learn, then we are teaching those things as well. That's why I'm invited to freelancers as well. Then they can get complete knowledge. That's why I told you this is complete course, not the partial one. As well as those database, and we work with the cloud context, then you can reduce those data into Power BI from the server. As well as we are giving you the knowledge how to export data, import data from the Excels as well, like CSV file or anything you can import. Right? So different data source model we are teaching you. But anyway, so we are talking about the real scenarios as well. So in other side, then once you retrieve the data, so using tags and all, we are showing you to how to manipulate this data and how to handle those data into the dashboard making, right? So, but another important thing is what? So if you are retrieving some data from the server, from your database, definitely there is a mechanism to clean the data. So you should clean some data, and you should use some relevant data only for some relevant data to your dashboard making. Therefore, all these segments we are talking here. That's why I told you. So if you are learning this complete knowledge, definitely you can sit for the PL 300 definitely. But PL 300 certification is on your hand, so you can come to some mock examinations and you can sit for the exam.